Hey, ever feel like your digestion is off, bloating, low energy, or just that heavy feeling after meals? This might be exactly what you need to reset things. The ebook Gut Healing Meals, Bone Broth, Fermented Foods, and Digestion-Friendly Dishes focuses on supporting your gut through simple, nourishing foods that are easy to include in everyday life. At its core, this guide combines traditional approaches like bone broth and fermented foods with modern nutrition ideas, helping you understand how your digestive system responds to what you eat. Inside, you'll discover meals designed to be gentle on digestion while still being satisfying and practical. The ebook also includes structured guidance, like a meal plan, and clear explanations of how different foods can support gut health. What makes this approach stand out is its balance. It's not about extreme restrictions or complicated protocols. Instead, it focuses on building habits using foods known for being easier to digest and supportive of overall wellness. Things like bone broth are often associated with comfort and nourishment, while fermented foods are commonly included in diets that aim to support digestion. Together, they create a foundation for more balanced eating. Another important aspect is consistency. When your digestion improves, everything else tends to follow. Better energy, clearer thinking, and more control over your eating habits. And since it's a digital download, you can access the ebook instantly and start applying the ideas right away at your own pace. If you're looking for a simple, practical way to support your gut and feel better day to day, this is definitely worth checking out. You'll find gut healing meals, bone broth, fermented foods, and digestion-friendly dishes in the description. Take a look and see if it fits your routine.